Pigs are resilient and able to withstand so many diseases. They have so many advantages, and it's among one of the most consumed meat in the world. Pig meat is becoming rapidly popular in Ghana and around the world. This video is going to highlight how to start a pig farm business and be successful at it. Hi, my name is Eric, welcome to Adam's Farm Food. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video with family and friends. 1. Pigs produce valuable, nutritious meat from inedible feeds, forages, grain byproducts derived from mills, meat byproducts, damaged feeds, and rubbish. Most of these diets are either unpalatable to humans or not edible. 2. Pigs have a rapid rate of growth and are prolific breeders, producing 10 to 18 piglets at a time. Under ideal management circumstances, a sow can have 2 litters each year. 3. Pig farming offers a high rate of return. The farmer can profitably employ his time and labor in this side business with a minimal investment in buildings and equipment, careful feeding, and a strong disease management program. Pig waste is utilized as manure to maintain the fertility of the land. 1. Purchasing your pigs. Buying purebred stock from a reputable breeder with high-caliber purebred stock is crucial, since it will give your future marketing and advertising efforts immediate credibility. 2. Housing and boating. It is preferable to confine baby piglets to a stall or secure pens for the first 4 to 6 weeks in order to keep them safe from predators. Observe your pigs carefully to see how they behave. The greatest option for pig bedding would be wood shavings or sawdust. Pigs should live in an entirely natural and chemical-free environment. Your pigs should be prepared to be transported to their new home for the following 3 months before they are prepared for the market at the end of the 4 to 6 weeks. To avoid any untimely breeding, the boar and gilts might be divided. It is a good idea to start considering your preferred fencing and living conditions as the pigs reach their 4th to 6th week. There are many various techniques to fence pigs, but the 3 most common types are as follows. A. For big regions, hot wire perimeter fencing is the most affordable option. B. A little extra money is required to get hog wire roll fencing with metal T-posts and hardwood posts for bracing large spans and corners. C. The most expensive option is hog panels with metal T-posts for support, but it is also the simplest to install and requires almost no maintenance. It is usually preferable to employ the natural environment for protection and shading while providing outdoor shelter. A wooden area is a fantastic option, but if you don't already have one, you'll need to build or buy one. Whilst I have you, please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video with family and friends. Please comment below. 4. Make sure there is a sufficient and continuous supply of fresh water available, as pigs require a lot of it. It is a good idea to start your pigs started with 18 to 20% protein feed for speedy growth. The piglets should ideally be given a free choice diet, but you should avoid giving them more than 20% protein because this might lead to scours, which is harmful to the piglets. Ivermectin can be administered to pigs every 6 months to eradicate internal worms and external parasites. You might also decide to deworm your pigs using all natural and organic methods. We've discovered that rosemary and garlic work best. In order to give the pigs the benefit of a continual natural dewormer, we also utilized diatomaceous earth, which our feed mill incorporates directly into the feed. This is supplemented once a month by adding 2 tablespoons of garlic to their meal once a day. Your pigs should be reaching 60 to 90 kg after 6 months on a well-balanced diet. They should be ready for either the market or breeding. There is a famous saying that, Pigs have gestation period of 3 months, 3 weeks and 3 days, however, it can also be boiled down to 114 days. It's crucial that you keep track of the breeding days so that you can predict when the new piglets will come. Your sows will need to be kept in separate living quarters from the other pigs. Their feeding amounts should be between 12 and 15 pounds, or about 18%. This needs to be done around a month before delivery. Piglets must be provided a decent nursery as soon as they are born, and after 8 to 10 weeks, they must be separated from the sows. Choose if you are rearing them for market or selling them as weaners when they are infants. Thank you for watching my video. Comment below and recommend any video or topic you want me to cover. Subscribe to the channel. Like and share the video with family and friends.